Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W-3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use red color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. T-E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. Kids now draw 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.